Today, I am going to deal a very interesting subject regarding the treatment. And the treatment is deficiency of iron. When the patient comes to you with the deficiency of iron, to a homeopathic doctor, the treatment of the patient must be differ from the allopathic science. The view of allopath is other and the view of homeopath is other. So the treatment must be differ from the allopathic science. The better we know our remedy, the more intelligently we take our case. Means a homeopathic doctor must be a master of materia medica, must be a master of organon. We have to recognize a patient remedy not only from the individual symptoms but from the characteristic grouping of the symptoms as well as from the proper distinction of the peculiar from the common and the general from the particular. So, we homeopath take the general symptoms, the common symptoms, the particular symptoms, then individualize the case for the proper selection of the remedy. From the particular which the repertory cannot always give. So repertory is the indication of materia medica. Repertory will not always help you for the prescription. Only materia medica help for your proper prescription. It is like recognizing a man after he had been long absent. He may be changed, may be distinguished, but if you once knew him well, you will recognize him. Speed and assurance in the choice of the remedy comes from the knowledge. So must keep the knowledge of the materia medica, must keep the knowledge of every remedy. It also make prescribing interesting and fantastic. The pharmacological action of the iron involved in the two phases, one following the other and one exact opposite to the other. In both phases, the anatomic element most affected are the RBC, the stripped and the smooth muscles, fiber, and the hairs. They obtained their iron from the food. We know that calcium water, if administered to calcium deficiency rickets children, is not assimilated, it even aggravates the condition. In homeopathic clinical work, it has been discovered that such trouble of assimilation can be corrected by the administration in the potentized form of the mineral. We homeopath always use the mineral in potentized form. Calcium, silica, iron deficiency are treated with potentize of this same mineral. So, their material assimilation out of the food is separate. Robin, a French pharmacologist, said that the action of the drug in the treatment of disease was not chemical but dynamic. A sick man assimilate food and also food iron less well than a healthy man. We could then a sick man assimilate inorganic iron which cannot be assimilated even by the healthy. Ferrum has a strictly homeopathic use in anemia in which the highest potency are curative. For excess of iron will cause anemia and at times will aggravate it when present. Antidote iron with China, pulsatilla, epicock or some other suitable remedy. Dr. Nash said, no man prescribe iron or any other remedies for anemia without indication according to our therapeutics law of cure. I have seen better cures of bad cases of anemia by nitramur also in potentized form. Iron is good remedy for GIT complaint also with the symptom similarity. In vomiting of pregnancy also help the iron with the suitable symptoms is correspond. So we homeopath never give the ferrum only to see the iron deficiency. This is wrong method. So we prescribe iron, we prescribe ferrum group of medicine with the collection of the symptoms of the patient. The symptoms of the patient must be tried to simulate with the medicine, and that medicine given to the patient get relief the deficiency syndrome of the iron. So you can treat the iron deficiency case by proper medicine which is more suitable for the patient according to the similarity of the symptoms, not according to the name of the disease. Where there is iron deficiency, you give ferrum. This is wrong method. Homeopathic always help to cure those patients which are treated according to law of cure, according to the similia similibus curantur, according to the principle of homeopathic. Then you can cure every case, not only deficiency of iron, you can take any deficiency of the mineral in the body by the suitable symptoms. Suitable symptoms give you a suitable medicine and you prescribe that medicine that will help for cure the patient. Thanks.